Omsim. Okay, the first
아 이게 웃기는 말이에요?
Is this a funny word?
funny ba siya funny?
지금 다 웃었잖아.
Pero tumawa kayo.
어?
Siguro medyo unexpected. Okay, what do you think this means? Omsim.
옴심.
옴식.
그냥 다들 웃고 있는데 지금.
No, you guys are all laughing.
You're so cute kasi.
옴심. 이거 봐 웃잖아.
Look at you, you're laughing.
옴심. 옴심.
What do you think it means? It's not a yoga chant, as you're maybe making it sound, okay? Omsim, what do you think it means?
아 그럼 뭐 그냥 뭐 돈가스 같은 건가 봐요.
Something like tonkatsu.
Ay, kain!
돈가스를 얘기하니까 이제 몇 명이 화를 냈어.
When I said tonkatsu, some of you got mad.
아니야?
No?
It's not food, okay? It's not food. However, so omsim means in Tagalog, it's like saying correct. You know, you are right. Like when someone says to you something, it's like
옴심.
omsim. Ayan, like that. But let's have your fans teach you how to pronounce it properly, okay? Just so we have that interaction here. Are you guys ready to say omsim and teach them how to say it? All right then, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's how I heard. Ah!
옴심.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So I think what we can do is maybe the fans can say, Kim Suyono pa ang pogi mo. And then you can say, Omsim. You know, so you know how to use it in an interaction. Would you guys like to do that? All right. All right. He knows naman what it means, no?
안 뽀기모.
Okay, so the fans are gonna tell you you're so foggy, and then you can say omsim. All right, okay, here we go. Kim Siono pa ang foggy mo. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
살라마 포. 감사합니다.
Oh, he's too humble. He's too humble. Di niya kinaya. Sige, okay. But yes, that was our first word, omsim. All right. Let's move on to our second word now, please, on the screen. Actually, it's a pair. So these are actually two different expressions. Okay, the first one is eme lang. Actually, can you guys say it? Eme lang. On 3. Go. 1, 2, 3.
eme lang.
Yes. And our third word is
That's how you did it.
ginaya niya lang daw, may nagganon. Okay. Oh. What do you think this means? Eme lang, charot. What do you think that means?
샤롯. 됐어.
Never mind.
됐어.
Tama. Okay, so these two expressions are actually very similar. They're both the same way of saying, it's a joke. Parang just kidding. I-replies pa rin pala, joke lang. Okay.
아, 오케이, 오케이. 아.
Okay. So
Okay.
now, let's try and apply it through an interaction with the fans. So I think maybe what we'll do is we will give you a sentence, or I will say a sentence, and then your response to that will be first, Emela. Okay, so that's where the interaction ends. And then the second sentence I give you, your reaction to it will be, charot. But you have to say it like that with feeling. Charot.
좋아요.
Okay, I like it.
Okay, here we go. I heard that you're having so much fun that this 2-hour show is gonna be a 4-hour show.
애매랑. 아,
Okay.
이게 두개다 다른 말이에요?
Are those two different? Like it has different meanings?
근데 이게 누구나 다 쓰는 말이에요?
Is this a word that everyone uses?
난 이 말 한 번도 안 써봤다.
Raise your hand if you haven't used this word in your entire life.
Ever?
많은데?
Ang dami.
But you're aware, diba? They're popular terms. They're popular phrases. Yes. Oh, one more. Okay, this one. You say charot, okay? You know the shower scene in Queen of Tears? I heard we're gonna see it live and in person tonight. Iraraffle natin yan mamaya. Charot. Alright. But thank you so much. What a sport. Let's give them a big round of applause, guys. We love that. Yes. You put in the effort to learn more about the Philippines. And I love seeing you interact with the fans. And as promised, there will be more. At this time, though, we are going to prepare for the next